Hi, I'm going to do honey fruit cake. So, are you ready to make with me the honey fruit cake? Yes, we are going to make the honey fruit cake. So, this is how it's going to be like. Come, we'll all get together and make the honey fruit cake. And it's so delicious. To say that it's delicious, we have to make it. Come, get together and we will make it and then we will taste and see. For the honey fruit cake, sugar, 125 grams of sugar I am putting, right? Butter, 125 grams. Now what I am going to do is I have 2 eggs and flour I have got 150 grams. Now don't forget, there's a little difference in this, 150 grams, right? Now we are going to make the cake. First thing we are going to cream it. While you are creaming it, one at a time, the egg is added. Main reason is butter, sugar and the eggs. When you use only, it will start melting. That is, the sugar will dissolve. Mainly the sugar has to dissolve. So if the sugar has to dissolve means we have to cream it nicely for a while so that it gets creamed very well. Now you can see I have creamed it nicely. 150 grams of flour I am using. Not only 150 grams of flour, I am using a little salt also I am using here, and along with that salt I added. Now baking powder, salt we have put 150 grams. Now what I am going to do is I am going to slowly add this mixture. Sift it. Once you sift it first and the second time you sift it without the baking powder, second time with the baking powder. We sift it and we take all that together. Now what we will do is cream it once. While I am creaming this, 150 grams we have put, so we will put about quarter cup of milk. Quarter cup milk I have put for this. It's easy to put quarter cup milk and to mix it nicely. Cream it nicely. While I am creaming this, of course I don't have to wait with this. I just leave it for about a minute. Nicely cream that. That's all that we have to do here. Take this out. Now can you see how it looks like, a dessert spoon of honey, spices, cinnamon and spices, right? That also I have put. Cashew nuts, sultanas, all 30 grams you put. Almonds, about 10 almonds I am using. You don't have to use with the skin, bad to use with the skin, bad to eat with the skin also. So put hot water, keep it for about half an hour and then you remove the skin and chop it. I'm using figs and any other dry fruits you can use. Whatever dry fruits you like, you can use. Otherwise in vain it will go waste. Mix it nicely. Now you know what I said. It's a fruit cake that we are doing. Honey fruit cake. Tray. Butter it. A round tray I have taken. 6 or 7 inch tray. We can use a 6, 6.5, 7. Within that, just keep it like that. Shake it once, don't have to shake it even. I will put that to bake. It will get evenly baked. 80 centigrades only we are going to bake it. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. We bake it. Small thing I want to show you. The problem is, I want to just have a little water to boil. Icing sugar. 3 dessert spoons, and I will just keep a little water to warm. Vanilla essence. Icing sugar and vanilla only I put. So I take a little bit of hot water. See, watery I want. Just a small decoration. If it is for this season, if it's not for this season, take it off. That's all. Anytime you can have all these type of preparations. Next episode, I will do something else. So please be ready to make something nice and come. We'll all get together and make it. Till then, next episode, I am going to do something different. So we'll meet you next episode. That is next week, next episode, I will meet you and do something different. Be ready for it. Bye from me now.